President
Oh, Donnie boy. Oh, Donnie boy.
Former President Donald John Trump started his criminal trial. We broke history again. The only president to never win a popular vote. The only president to be impeached twice. The only president to, I mean, fucking all the lawsuits and stuff. Lost more staff members. Tried to throw an insurrection on the United States government.
You know what? He's just a record setter, that's for sure.
He's a trendsetter, sure. And now he's the first president to be criminally indicted and facing federal court. He's been in court the last 2 days. They're doing jury selection, and his trial starts officially next week. But he's got to sit there through all of it. But apparently, he's having kind of a rough time. And we're going to jump in with Ben Mysalis and the Midas Touch. We like them. They're lawyers. They know what they're talking about on this stuff better than we do. So.
Of the 2016 election, and that's where he made the hush money payments to an adult. Trump lost numerous motions early in the day, and then he fell asleep for many minutes in the morning session, and then fell asleep over and over again in the afternoon. He could not stay awake. Occasionally,
I love it because he's been calling Joe Biden Sleepy Joe through this whole thing, and now it's like he's in court, he can't even stay awake, and he's being criminally charged. He's looking at years in prison, and he's like,
like, okay, I really desperately want to make fun of him, but that actually is sort of like concerning to me, because we've talked before about his, potential mental / medical state, and like whether he's actually like really doing all right.
yeah.
I mean, it's a little funny, but like if you're literally not capable of staying awake through your own freaking criminal trial at the beginning of it, even, we're not talking this is droned on for months and months, like this is the beginning of it.
Yeah.
Like, what's going on, man? What's going on?
Look, I can understand that maybe he's old, he's stressed about it, he's stressed about a lot, he's got a lot of shit on his plate right now, and maybe he was up all night, whatever, it could happen. So he's old though, I mean. But, I've seen Biden stays awake through these meetings. So I don't know what to tell you.
Right, they're both old.
So Sleepy Don having some trouble in court.
he would kind of all of a sudden wake up and then be very kind of jarred by everything that was going on, and then he would go back to sleep. And following the proceedings, Donald Trump then proceeded to do what Donald Trump does, which is whine about everything and to lie and to make up things. Here's what he posted after the first day and into the evening hours. I'll just share with you a few because you get the point that this is what he posts over and over again. He goes, "Who will explain for me to my wonderful son Barron, who is a great student at a fantastic school, that his dad will likely not be allowed to attend his graduation ceremony, something that we have been talking about for years, because a seriously conflicted and corrupt New York State judge wants me in criminal court on a bogus Biden case, which, according to virtually all legal scholars and pundits, has no merit and should never have been brought. This fake case is solely..."
Oh my God. They're so long. He's like a 13-year-old girl. Who posts shit that much? I've never even really used Twitter. I have an account. I think I've been on it twice. I mean, I never really did anything with it.
I have used Twitter, but like nobody's composing tweets this damn long. This is like a freaking whole like Facebook post. What is this?
Yeah, the whole thing with Barron too was so he's tried everything to delay this. As much, I mean, they filed what, a dozen something motions. All of them got shot down. They were all stupid. My favorite one, my personal favorite, was, "Your Honor, we've run out of things to write motions about, so we need more time to think about bullshit motions to write to delay this case," was basically the argument of the motion. It was really funny. I can't remember exactly how they phrased it, but that's the gist of what they were asking. We need more time to think up things to say. Sure, I'll delay it so you can think of more shit to say to delay it. Yeah, the judge shot that one down. He shot them all down so far. But the whole thing with, like, Well, he wants to go to, what was it? He wants to attend this thing or that thing, or he wants to go to his son's graduation. Can we delay it or for his son's graduation, or can we give him that day off? And the judge is like, no. It was a criminal trial. No. You know, because you got, once they pick it, it's going to be 12 jurors plus 6 alternates, and they've got to fucking be there every day. The attorneys have got to be there, right? We're going to, what, we're going to take a break day and dick with all these people's schedules so he can go to his son's graduation? No. Nobody gets this. I mean, if you were on trial for DUI or something, even something petty, like stealing a candy bar, they wouldn't no, I gotta go to my son's graduation. No. Sorry. You gotta comply with the court.
Back to this I can't stay awake thing. Like, if he can't stay awake for his own freaking criminal trial, is he gonna be able to stay awake for, like, some really important international meeting? Or
well,
is he gonna be falling asleep during a freaking, like, dinner party? Or
the graduation thing will come up again. I just want to set it up for a second because it's funny. So,
oh my God, okay.
Yeah, but that was his excuse. And who's going to explain it to my son? Oh, well, the way it gets explained to the kid when dad misses graduation because he's on indictment for business and election fraud, it's the way every kid gets it explained to them. Their mom tells you your father's going to prison. Every other American does it when they go to prison. Why should you be?
Well, God, you know what? In this case, it's going to be probably explained to him as, well, son, let's just say mommy's about to become free again.
Right, exactly. Mommy's going to have a dating life again and meet your new daddy. No, she'll stay with him for the money. I mean, she's gonna clean up.